Howdy folks, this is Rich with Unloaded Media, and we got us an unboxing today. This is from Core Essentials, and let's see what we got here. I had already pre-cut the box, but as far as that's as far as I got. So I'm going to see this for the first time that all of you are. Let me get this packing center, there we go. Let's see, we got our packing slip, nothing major there. The usual advertising kind of thing that you get with this kind of product, and the directions. So that's good. It shows you how you put it together. And we got, what do we got here? This is I think this is a protector. Yeah, this is the protector that goes over top. They sent this. I did not pay for this. I didn't pay for any of this actually. This is sent to me by Core Essentials for purposes of doing a review. But right now we're just doing an unboxing. This slides over to your belt, so it protects your belt from any metal clips or anything like that you would have on your holster, so that's cool. They included that with the review sample I got here. Let's see. Here's the belt, but I want to get to this first. They sent a hanger for your belt, so you can hang it up in your closet when you're not wearing it, so that's cool. They included that. What else we got in here? Screws to attach the buckle with, and a little Allen wrench / hex key, whatever you want to call it, so that you can put those in. So, and what else we got here? Yeah, it's hard to do this because I'm looking through the camera while I'm doing this instead of like actually looking what I'm looking at. So, and here's the buckle. It's a nice looking buckle. So yeah, we got that. And what's that? That's just a little piece. That's what the buckle was in. Okay. And let's get this box out of the way. Here's the belt itself. Hold on now. Let me get, where is the end of that plastic? There it is. Let me get this off of here. And here's the belt itself. It's one of their leather ones. I didn't go with the normal tactical one because I decided to go with the leather. But you can see where the Core Tactical, there's is a ratcheting belt. So you can see here's the little studs that it hooks onto. So that's cool. And you can see this belt's very stiff. So we'll see how comfortable this is to wear it when you get to that. But I figured I'd go with their leather instead of the normal nylon tactical one they have, simply because lots of people have already reviewed that one. You don't see very many reviews for leather gun belt like this from Core Tactical, so I figured I'd go with their leather belt for people who, and do a review for people who may have to wear like business attire and that sort of thing. And you know, you don't see that. Like I said, mostly you see like the tactical belts and stuff. You don't see this kind of belt. So I went with this one. This one, by the way, doesn't hold. Yeah, what am I looking for? Isn't rated for as much weight as the nylon belt. This one's only rated for up to 4 pounds of gear on it. But if you're wearing a small, compact, subcompact type pistol and maybe a flashlight or multi-tool at most, this belt will be fine for that, according to their website for what the weight rating and stuff on it is. So, you know, I'm not looking to carry more than that anyway. I'm not carrying a bunch of stuff on this belt. If I was, I would get something else. But, you know, I'm just carrying, most of the time I'm carrying a Smith & Wesson Shield or Shield EZ or my SIG P365. So I don't need anything that's going to be, you know, I do have other belts if I decide I want to carry a full-size gun, like my P10C, which I have the suppressor-ready one, so it's got the longer barrel on it. So it's more of a full-size pistol, even though it's in the P10C frame, which is a compact, because it's only normally has only a 4-inch barrel. This one's got a 4.5-inch barrel, which makes it a full-size pistol, even though the frame isn't full-size. So, yeah. Or my HK USP, that's a full-size pistol, obviously. So I have other belts for carrying those guns, but we'll see how that works with this belt as well. I mean, the belt should hold up fine for those as well. So, I mean, like I said, I'm not going to be carrying a full kit on this belt like some people would with their nylon ones. So, yep, anyway, just wanted to do an unboxing. So far, looking at this belt, it looks like it's well made from what I can see here. I mean, like I said, you're seeing it for the first time. I just took it out of the plastic just now. It arrived this morning from Core Tactical, so I haven't got a chance to go. I didn't take it out of the box or anything until doing this video, so I just wanted to show you the length of the belt. It looks like a good, nice leather, and yeah, so we'll see how this goes, and about a week from now or so, I'll do another video. Maybe 2 weeks from now, I don't know. Depends on how things go, and we'll give it a review, and I'll let you know what I think of it. But so far, it looks like it's a nice belt. So until later, you all have a nice day, and like, share, subscribe if you would, please, if you watch this video. And if you like the video or other videos I do, check down below in the description. You'll find our Patreon page. You also find our page on Rumble and Instagram down below. So check out both of those as well. And thanks for watching.